A deadly crash today. A person with a handgun was arrested. Just a few minutes ago, there was a shooting involving Taco Bell. Police just chose for three field goal caused the crash. One on the line. Two people opened fire. Two little girls has been shot, but criminals survived. One took off and witnessed the whole thing. One of the suspects is anti-Medicaid packages. He was wearing a bandit. So Daniel Caldas has also been shot. It's on video when the car crash started. Witnesses of a few incidents. One car took off. This is absolutely the scariest situation this world is ever respect.